Okay, friends, welcome to my channel, Kids General Knowledge by Advik Mandal. Learn with us, which is the largest bird in the world. Ostrich, which is smallest bird in the world. Hummingbird, which is the fastest land animal. Cheetah, which is the largest land animal. African bushes elephant, which is the tallest animal. Giraffe, which is the largest flying mammal. Mouse-eared bat, which is the tallest, longest insect in the world. Giant sticky insect, which is the fastest moving insect in the world. Tropical cockroach. Thank you. So,